Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can charge the batteries of your DJI Air 2S. So first of all, to remove the battery from our drone, we have to open the propellers, the left and the right one, and we have to use these buttons. We have to click and hold them, then lift this battery. There we go. And as you can see right here, we can find the gold pins, and we have to get from our package this charger. It looks actually like that, and we have to put this part to our pins in this position. So we have to put it basically like this. That's how we can do this. Oh, never mind. Just like that. And there we go. It's attached to this charger, and also we can find this cable. So this end we have to plug to this charger, and this second end we have to plug for sure to the electricity. Okay, and right now, after a few seconds, the indicators are blinking, and it means that our battery is actually charging. So when you got fully charged, you will get 4 LEDs activated. And that's how we can do this. To put it back, just remove from this part, from this charger, and put it with the pins right here. Push on it. Right now it is on the place, and you can basically turn on your device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.